In this video, we'll clarify a concept that many individuals new to the OKR framework and Profit.co are confused by. Let's talk about the percentage tracked key result type versus using a KPI that's measured using percentages. For example, if I would like to decrease the percentage of escalations from 40% to 20%, your first instinct might be to create a percentage tracked key result. However, the percentage tracked key result type only tracks processes and projects from 0% to 100%. In this instance, I'll actually want to use the decrease KPI key result type and create a percent of escalations KPI. In the creation form, I can choose to track this using percentages. So when I create my key result, I can enter my starting value as 40% and my target value as 20%. That will allow me to measure the progress in a decreasing manner. For more information, visit our Help Center, and don't forget we're available 24/7 on our live support chat, right on your Profit.co platform.